Why do some Facebook Reels get 10,000, 100,000, even 1 million views? It's not luck. It's strategy. One of the biggest secrets behind viral Reels is using trending audio. Today I'll show you the exact method to find Facebook trending sounds and use them correctly to boost your reach. Let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prayophony, where we turn normal creators into algorithm-smart creators. I've tested Facebook Reels growth strategies, and trending audio is one of the fastest growth boosters. If you want organic reach without ads, this tutorial is for you. Step-by-step trending audio method. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your creator profile. Step 2. Open profile menu. Tap the 3-line menu icon. Now tap on your profile name to open your Facebook profile. Step 3. Open Reels section. Scroll down on your profile. Tap on Reels. This shows all your Reels content. Step 4. Select a reel with trending audio. Now select any reel that already has trending sound. Tap on the reel. Step 5. Tap on audio name. At the bottom of the reel, tap on the audio name. This opens audio library. Step 6. Click Trending tab. Now tap Trending next to the For You section. Before we jump in, if you want Facebook growth hacks, monetization tips, and creator tricks, subscribe to Prayophony and grow smarter, not harder. Now let's find trending audio. Final result, trending audio library. Now you will see Facebook trending songs, viral sound effects, popular music tracks, Reels boost audios, example trending audios like Fatiola, The Bearish Main Fear, Ixaura, Viral remix sounds. Step 7. Add trending audio to your reel. Now select any trending sound. Tap Use audio. Record or upload your video. Boom. Your reel is now optimized for viral reach. Why trending audio boosts reach. Facebook algorithm pushes trending sounds, popular audio engagement, high watch time content. Using trending audio gives faster distribution, more impressions, higher discovery, better chances to go viral. Pro creator. Tips important. To maximize results, post within 24-48 hours of trending sound. Keep reel under 30 seconds. Add subtitles. Use strong hook in first 3 seconds. Post consistently. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't use copyrighted music outside reels. Upload old trending sounds. Use low-quality videos. Ignore caption optimization. Now you know exactly how to find Facebook trending audio. Use viral sounds correctly. Boost Reels views organically. Grow your account faster. Remember, content matters, but strategy decides growth. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe to Prayophony, because here, we don't post randomly. We post to grow. See you in the next powerful tech video.